Yo, what is going on, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Also, if you're new to this channel, then welcome and thank you for stopping by. By the way, after this video, I would recommend to check out the link that's right over there somewhere if you guys want to learn more about how you would participate on my free monthly giveaway with a fun little mini game. More in the description will be down below if you guys are interested in that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get you all set up and ready to roll.
So first things first, we'll be going to PayPal's homepage, which is linked at the description below to save you guys some time. Once you're here, you'll have to choose whether you want a personal account or a business account. For the sake of this video, we'll be going to be creating a personal account. But to put the two in perspective, basically, if you're trying to sell goods and services, then go with a business account as it allows for more features and customization. You could still use a personal account for that, but I found it to be much more limited than a business account. Again, there will be a link below if you want to read more about it. Oh, and by the way, I will be showing you guys how you can switch from a personal account to a business account at the end of this video. The second part is an easy one. All you have to do is put in your legal first name, last name, an email that will be connected to your PayPal account, and finally your password. Once you're done with all of that, make sure to click over here to move over to the next page. Now on this next part, type in your personal address and click on this box once you've read everything in here. Also, it's important to mention that you need to be 18 years of age in order to own your own personal PayPal account. Keep in mind that that is only a part of the agreement that you're signing off on when checking this box. And of course, once you're done, make sure to click on agree and create account. Finally, on the last page, you can go at this in one of two ways. Your first option is you can link your debit or credit card number, which, by the way, if you're not sure what that is, that's a 16-digit number that is found at either the front or the back side of the card. Over on this side, type in your card's expiration date and the CSC, which is the 3-digit number at the back of your card, on the other side. Your second option would be to link a bank account by clicking on the link a bank account instead. If you decide to go with the second option, then all you have to do is fill in your bank account information and you'll be done. As for me though, I'll be going with the first option. If you got the check mark, then congratulations, now you have your very own personal PayPal account. Click over here to get your homepage. Now you're done, but if you want to upgrade to a free business account, all you have to do is click on this gear icon to get your settings, then click on upgrade to business account. Now once you're here, you can either choose to use a new email, which is recommended by the way, or you could just use the one you're currently using. And once you have made a decision, all you have to do is click on this next button and then you're done.
So I hope you all found this information helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing as that really helps this small channel out. Also, I will try my best to answer all the questions you guys might have down in the comment section. So thank you all for watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Peace.